Hello friends, very good evening. Myself Bala here. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, Talent Traders. Those who are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe the channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. In this video, I'm going to show you again some kind of candlesticks pattern. But here, previously we are seeing about the reversal kind of candlesticks pattern. But now I'm going to take you the kind of continuation pattern. So when that continuation candlesticks forms at the highest level or the lowest level, so we can find out there is a continuation or there should be a trend reversal. So that using that candlesticks pattern, we easily find out where there is opportunity is there. So we can use for our positional and intraday trading based on that. So before going to the video, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. If you like the video, hit the like button and press the bell icon to get the notification whenever we made a new videos. Right? Now move on to the video. So let's show you some candlesticks pattern. So let's check it out how that candlesticks looks like. Can you see these two candles? Here I'm going to take the reversal pattern. Sorry, continuation pattern, not a reversal pattern. So I'm going to take a continuation candlesticks pattern. So let's do that. How it is looking like. Okay, there is a candlesticks pattern. There is a name for the candlesticks pattern. I will let you know that what it is exactly. But can you able to see exactly market can take a again rally or the reversal? So let's see, there is a candlestick, these two candlesticks I am discussing about right now. So the previous trend is going up, but this candle should be a bearish reversal, the bearish continuation pattern. So we expect there is a bearish, but the same will give you such a breakout entry without breaking the low. So that is, we don't have any selling opportunity because this candlesticks pattern, that is what a selling reverse, selling continuation. But when the market is broken, and can you able to see the rally is very big. And again, if you are focusing a daily, I'm talking about only this 25th and 26th August, these two candles. Okay, let me show that on Google. We will know very easily when you see that image. So description, all the things which is present on Google. And now, as per the Bajaj Finance forming a shooting star, doji, and inside candle, so a lot of things which is present on Bajaj Finance. So at the highest level, there is a reversal and continuation as good possible. But if it is reversed, there is a good opportunity at the highest level. So as of now, today's candlestick pattern. Right. So what it is exactly what this is candle? What is the candlesticks pattern? Right. So this candlesticks pattern is called as in on neck candlesticks pattern. One is on neck and another one is in neck candlestick. So this is called in neck candlesticks pattern. The first day should be the red. Okay, there is a bearish day, but next day even open gap lower than the previous day. Right. So that will tell us here where the market is a red candle and the next day open, it is gap lower, but instead after opening that lower, but it is not able to move down. Instead of that, it is moving higher and closing nearby the close or below the close. So below the low, equal to the low. This is in neck. Okay, so this pattern whenever it forms, so there is a possibilities reversal. What should be the trend? If it is going uptrend, so there is a possible where we can see the uptrend continuation, or bearish also will. When there is a more probability, it is around 56% of the time there is bearish continuation. This candle is in neck bearish continuation pattern only. So we can use for a bullish continuation. So now the same pattern which forms in sorry, this one is on neck and in neck. In neck should be nearby the low and another one should be nearby the close, right? So both are a little bit same. So we got a on neck is open and that close, today's close is equal to the previous close, and in neck we see that one same, it is also mentioning on neck. So in neck pattern looks nearby the previous close. Let's see that image. So the close is nearby the low. That is what on neck and in neck. So let's see here. You see clearly it's like on neck. Neck is near about the low, and it is exactly the price. Let's see the Bajaj Finance, which forms the previous low as 6921. This close is 6931, near about the low, but the close is 6944. Here that close is 6931, little bit lower. Okay, so this slight confusion between that next day should be the gap open and close equal to the low or close equal to the close. The on neck and in neck candlesticks pattern. Okay, so let's do that with the scanner that we already created, that code in neck bearish continuation. This is what a bearish continuation, but if you check that the image which I shown to you, so the 44% there is a trend continue, that is uptrend, and most of the 56% is it may downtrend. So we take whether the low is broken or high should break. We find out such opportunity. Can you able to see that in a Bajaj Finance? It forms high around 7054, low is 6850, somewhere 200 point in a 2 days. But this candle previous trend was going up. We are expecting bearish reverse. That has not happened. So that is what a 56%, right? But what happened in that? So it broken that high after 2 days, and from 7050 was near about 7000. Taken a risk of 200 point, that moves towards 400, 500 point in a 2 or 3 days. So that is what the candlesticks pattern that forms. So let's scan that in futures. So we got that much of stocks, and let's go for a recently found Hero Motor Corp on 2nd August. This one ARR, right? So let's check Hero Motor Corp. I don't know the name of the stock. Hero Motor Corp forms yesterday. Let's see, the low of the candle is 730.6, and these second day closes, it is equal. So yesterday also we find out Hero Motor based on daily chart, hourly chart. We find out hourly or 15 minutes, I don't remember. Yesterday we find a such a yes. Let's see. Oh my god. So there is a small risk around 7 rupees risk. When it is broken, huge, right? The 7 rupees risk. This is what for intraday only, but the candlesticks works all the time frame. So now we go to, so we'll remove that studies, and now I'm going to make the daily. So where you see that the previous trend on Hero Motor Corp, it started moving, and there is a candlesticks pattern which forms at here, right? When the close and open is equal to same, and it broke today that high, and the market is moving. Great, the candlestick. And second stock, that is ARR. Stock AAR. Aarti India Limited. Let's do. So here we don't get any opportunity. What we are expecting, the stocks should break this low or it should break this high. So that is the thing which we are expecting. There is no trade opportunity on this. And previously, let's say go for previous, that is what Bajaj Finance and ICICI Prudential on 26th August. We already discussed about Bajaj Finance. Let's go for ICICI Prudential. ICICI Prudential. So let's say 26th August. Exactly 6th August. Can you able to see that? There is a candlesticks pattern which forms on 26th August. We expect bearish continuation at this point. Till now we don't get a bearish, but 40%, 44% of the time market breaks above yesterday around 675, today 600 and 700 plus. Simple candlesticks pattern that was giving you such a great information where there is a market to reverse at the point. And previous one, somewhere 25th August, some stock which forms Asian Paint. Let's go for a Asian Paint. What happened in that? 25th. This one. Would you able to see that the candlesticks pattern, how it is performing? So this candlesticks pattern, both we can use for a bullish as well as a bearish. Let's understand. We can use for a bullish as well as a bearish. Because bullish, we have 44% of this time we got a bullish reversal, or 56% of the time bearish reversal. Their low is not broken, high is broken. 3 days, there is a big rally from 3100, 3300. So that is the candlesticks pattern power. So if you have understood, you can use. Okay, so this is what in neck pattern, right? Let's go for a on neck pattern. So that both we have created here, and this one we will run the scan, and we find such a small stock, and 26th August we got ICICI Purli the same, because both the patterns are same. The closing price, whether it is equal to the low or the previous close, that is the difference between these two, in neck or on neck, right? So a little bit confused, no worries. So we can use it closing or lowest level. So same 26. And before that 23rd August we find such a stock, that is City Union Bank. City Union Bank, 23rd August. I think this one. Hope you got it. So where we are focusing for a sale opportunity at this point of low 143. So we don't have opportunity on that. And whenever it broken that high, somewhere 149, from there it moves 160. So both the candlesticks pattern, that is working very fine on our positional trade, but we should wait for the trade opportunity. And here Polycap and HCCL Tech, everything. So this candlesticks name is bearish reversal, the bearish continuation, right? But most of the time it will give you bullish opportunity. So one is HCCL Technologies, that one happening on 20th August. 20th August, maybe this, and whenever it broken that high, still in trading highest level, it was coming to the entry point and again moving up and down, but still isn't profit. Polycap, I think 20th August, maybe this, and this one exactly broken the low. This is the only one which broken. We are checking about more stocks, is broken. The next day market is falling down and bottom. And what should be the risk reward ratio? So 1865, the stop loss is 1949. So this made a low 1810. That is the exact low. After that, there is a starting a reversal. There is a doji candle and inside out, whatever the thing. So but here this was giving you stop loss 65 to almost 100 point stop loss. From the trade it moves 55 50 point profit. But when it broken that high of 1949, the same day 100 point given, and right now it is somewhere big. So how to attend this kind of big risk trades? That we know how to manage with the hedging option strategies or hedging future strategies, that we are teaching on our paid lessons. If anyone who ready to join with my paid, and you can also, you are welcome, the number scrolling on that video, just message on WhatsApp, or you can directly call me the number. You will be getting more details about my options. Now I hope this may be a useful video, and that is a powerful trade opportunity which we are going to take based on the candlesticks pattern. I hope so. One or few example is good enough, right? So whatever the previous one, on August 9th we have Zeal. Now you see that Z Entertainment, which forms on August 9, I think this one, right? So here bearish, that broken 189 and it coming down towards 160. This is the exact bearish pattern. Most of the time it happen bullish, and it is also happening bearish. So you have like you can take as a 50-50 chances for a moving up or moving low, and that is a bearish or a bullish. But whenever if you find this kind of candlesticks, there is a great opportunity on your trade. I hope this may be a useful video to you all. If you like this video, you can like and share to your friends, and I'm going to update this scanner in my Telegram channel too. If you are not yet joined my Telegram channel, the link which is given on my description, using the link you can join with my Telegram channel and make use of that scanner. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you very much. Thanks for your subscription, and again I'm going to thank you all my subscribers. We are reaching near about 2850 now, so it is good support. That is why I'm giving you this much of things, uh, getting free, so I'm not charging for anything about the scanners. I hope this may be a useful video. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you.